How to fix FaceTime camera not working on iPhone. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to open FaceTime. And simply refresh the app by closing the tab and then reopen it. Once done, move into the settings of a device. Head over to camera. You have to make sure that the camera is toggled on for FaceTime as well. Once done, now go back and head over to apps at the bottom. Search for the application FaceTime and then move into it. In this page, make sure to turn off FaceTime. Wait for a few seconds and then once again turn it on. This would also fix the issue that you have been facing on FaceTime. And then you'll be good to go. If not, go back and try removing the application. Tap and hold the app and click on Remove App. Once again tap on Delete App. And then once again reinstall the application. If not, try restarting your device. Most of the time, restarting your device has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.